dead body now. Like
Okay, I'm filming this.
like vulture.
And this is how the Swedish people leave their things after the 3 days of drinking. There is one survivor. He survived the battle. Yes. There is some beans. There is the CD player. Where is the CD? No CD. No CD. No CD. There is some survivors over there. You can see them. The domestic inhabitants.
I stay here.
Oh. But no condoms.
You are making film?
Yes. Oh, you have to. There's some survivors. Hurricane Uppsala.
Earthquake Uppsala.
Look at this shit.
There's no sea, but a tsunami.
This is Chernobyl of the future. I'm telling you, people are coming around and taking what's good for usage was not. Still habitant.
Is it short?
What? No. Look at the bags. The black bags. Somebody lose his hair. Isn't that beautiful? Something is burning. That's not good. That's definitely not good. Okay. This is ridiculous. Somebody just gets robbed because no more security. Très bien. Okay. The fuck? We are keeping this. I wish I'd come here with a truck. I would have a lot of chairs. That's for sure. Oh, another. That's the phone. But yet there is no free beer. There is some more habitants, and we will stop filming.